As regular home maintenance with your refrigerator, easy to do, just open the door. Make sure that it stays at the temperature that you want it to be at. And then also check for any water filters in the refrigerator that need to be replaced however often, and check the manufacturer to see what kind of filter it is and how often they recommend to replace the water filter. On the freezer side of your fridge, oftentimes we'll have an ice maker. This one has ice and it makes it really well, but when we go to test the ice maker, nothing happens. Nothing wrong with sticking your hand in there to grab some ice for that glass, but did you know a small appliance repair person can often come and repair little parts like this inside your fridge or freezer so they don't have to buy a whole new unit. Also, with the water and ice maker portion of your refrigerator, you often have a light so that in the middle of the night when you're getting that glass of ice water, you can see what it is that you're doing. This one doesn't work. Did you know that underneath is oftentimes your small light bulb? And this one even says lamp max 10 watts. So you can go ahead and take that light bulb out, get a new one, and hopefully it'll start working.